Hi, this is Dan from RealMax Software, and today I wanted to give you an update on what we've been working on in RapidWeaver Elements this week. So I'm going to dive right in and let's have a look. So this is, last week we started talking about how you wanted to organize your elements inside RapidWeaver. Now, we got kind of sidetracked with this. We had a lot of good feedback and we started implementing and sketching out a few different ideas. And so this is part implemented here. You can see we've got these categories and we did have a second column here. But what we found is this didn't really work. And what we think we're going to do is switch back to a grid view here. But there's some very important changes. While you'll be able to search and find anything you want in here, we think there is a better way to manage all this stuff. So what we've done is we've got this catalog window up here, and this will manage and house all your add-ons and updates for them. So I think this feature is going to be pretty big, and it's going to be great. It already feels like this is the way to go with it. So this would be the area where you're going to manage your add-ons. So let me walk you through what we've got so far. So this is the library, and you can see I've got my elements here, and this will house all my elements. And I'll come back to this in a minute. We'll just run through these quick. So the next item is layouts, and that's something we haven't discussed yet, but that's a feature coming to Elements, and we'll talk about that more in the future, and it's pretty exciting. So we've got themes, and you all know what themes are. All the RapidWeaver Classic themes will work here, and they'll be listed out here, and all the new themes for Elements. And then we've got a place to store project templates and your favorites. This is favorites for everything, so this will combine all your favorites and put them in here. And then a single place to check for updates, a lot like the App Store. So you'll be able to come in here and see what updates are available and choose what to update. Then this developer area, this is for developers only. And this is where you'll develop your element packs, or anyone interested in developing elements will have access to this. So you can create new packs and you'll be able to edit the details and get something going in here and then export them. But we'll talk about that more in the future as that's not quite ready to show off. And then we've got the marketplace, and the plan is to integrate this directly with the marketplace we built last year. That has its own custom API. So it means we can do tight integration with RapidWeaver, and we can pull in that information, and you'll be able to find and download elements and themes straight into RapidWeaver. And we think that's going to be really great for users when they need to when they're building a new project and you need to find something for that project. So you can that'll be great. So let's go back to this element library here. Now, at the moment, we're only organizing things by author and frameworks, but we're going to expand this out. We just didn't have time, and I wanted to do this video to show you what we've been working on this week. So kind of run out of time. So this is all we've got at the moment, but there will be more categories here, and you'll also be able to create smart folders. And this will allow you to organize your elements exactly how you want. So you can organize them by tags and developer and things like that. But that's, we're not quite there yet. So I'll save that for another video. So at the moment, I can see all my elements. And when I click on these, it filters down to just the developer's elements, which is exactly what you want. And if I click on an element, I get this little inspector here. And again, this is not finished. It's just the basic details here. But this will list out all the information about that element, such as the name and the description and all the tags. So you can see as I click through these, it changes. And there's also links to the documentation and information, and they go and open the website when you click on those. We've also got this little heart button, which enables me to go through, and I'll like a few of these just to show this off. And of course, they appear in the favorites area. And one of the other nice things is you can also search this whole row and search over here. So I can just start searching for multi-themes, and there he comes, or shaking the habitual, there we are. And you can see it just filters down, it's highlighting the words as I type there. And this would find all the add-ons in any of the groups and show me those. So if I click on here, and then I can search in here as well. So let's search for animate. There we are, and it just filters down really, really quick. So you can see that. So live filtering, and of course it works in that group as well. So it always just gives you the latest up-to-date information. And yeah, so that's a quick look here of the kind of power we're building in. And once you've organized these in this area, then you'll be able to choose what you want to display. So if you have created a smart folder or a special folder for just the elements and themes you need, then when you come back over here, you can pick that and it will display just what you need. And we think that is going to be absolutely amazing to have this kind of control and this power to organize and manage all those add-ons. So yeah, it's been a busy week, and it's been kind of exciting to have your feedback on this stuff, and it's really influenced how we're implementing this. So let us know what you think of this, because we're obviously actively working on this now and pushing forward with it. So let me know in the comments if this is the right way to go, what you think, what are we missing, what do you definitely need, and we'll do our best to get that in. So yeah, so I'm going to wrap this one up, and we'll be back next week with more updates as usual. All right, have a great weekend and keep weaving. Cheers, bye.